Last summer, Leo traveled to a small village in Europe. He wanted to see the famous old stone bridge. People said the bridge was 500 years old. When Leo arrived, he saw a sign. It said, "Please do not touch the ancient stones." Leo was curious. He thought, "It is just one small stone." He reached out his hand. He wanted to take a small piece of the bridge home as a souvenir. Suddenly, an old man walked by. "Stop," the man said gently. "If everyone takes one stone, the bridge will disappear. We must protect our history so your children can see it too." Leo felt embarrassed. He put his hands in his pockets. He realized that a photo is a better souvenir than a piece of history. He took a beautiful picture and smiled. The moral: respect the past to protect the future. When we travel, we should leave only footprints and take only memories. Maya loved music. This summer, she traveled to Greece to see the great ancient amphitheater. It was huge. Maya imagined the music and plays from long ago. She could not wait to perform for her friends. When Maya arrived, she saw a sign by the orchestra. It said, "Respect the acoustics. Please keep this space quiet for everyone." Maya looked around. She was the only person there. The theater was empty and beautiful. Maya smiled. "No one is here," she whispered. "It is a perfect time to sing." Maya walked into the center of the perfect circle. She took a deep breath. She did not follow the simple rule. Maya began to sing a loud song. Instantly, an angry voice echoed from the top of the theater. "Be quiet." Many hidden tourists stood up from the stone seats. They were reading and relaxing in silence. Maya jumped in surprise. Maya felt very embarrassed. She realized her voice was not the most important sound. The silence was special too. She sat down and listened to the peaceful wind. She learned that a moment of silence is a great performance. The moral: we share historical places. We must follow the rules so everyone can enjoy them.